I want to talk about this Hexclad product page because I think they're doing something very interesting and very clever. I would recommend you go to the Hexclad website and check out the product page yourself to see just how big this font size is. It is comically big. Now, if you go to a typical product page, the image is one third the size. There'll be a magnifying glass, and so you can then see a zoomed image. Whereas over here, of course, it's three times bigger, and everything is big. Like even this next image, it's just comically big. I actually think it's very beautiful. I mean, just think about the boldness. 50% of the screen has been devoted to the image, which I think is a very interesting call. And then even the zoomed images, like this is a zoomed image, and even that is so huge. I mean, I can literally smell the steel in the knife, which is exactly what I want the user to experience. And then if you come here, this font size is also very large, much larger than it would be on a typical website. These reviews over here, or these highlighted reviews, these are also comically big. And again, I'm a huge fan of this approach. I think this is the exact right way of doing it. Everything is supersized. Like I mean, this image is like literally taking the full screen real estate, and I think it's a good call. So I feel like I'm growing old, and maybe that's why I like these larger font sizes. So maybe I'm in the minority. I'd love to know your thoughts on if you think this is too much or if you think it's right. It's a good strategy.